Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonесoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you. So for our Harissa scrambled eggs, I've got a pan heating up on like a medium-high heat, and I have got 3 eggs here. I'm just making enough scrambled eggs for one person. And then I've got 1 tablespoon. I'm going to put another half tablespoon of harissa paste in. I'm just using this Moroccan one I get from the supermarket. It's pretty fiery. If you don't like it so hot, maybe try like 1 tablespoon or or less, a couple of teaspoons. Just you don't want to. You can always add more if it's not hot enough for you. And then we're going to pinch of salt. That's to season and also to help the eggs stay nice and tender. Can't remember the chemistry behind that, but it works. And then we want 2 tablespoons of cream. I'm using double cream because that's all I've got, but normally I would use, I'm trying to get the less thick stuff from down the bottom, but normally I just use regular whipping cream. So we've got our cream. I've got my almonds chopped and ready to go because once this comes together so quickly, you just want to whisk so it's all pink and lovely. Great, so you want the pan to be warm but not like crazy hot. That's been heating up for a few minutes on just a medium-high heat. And then I'm going to put in a knob of butter, or just a tablespoon or so of butter. And the great thing with butter when you're cooking eggs is it's really good to gauge the pan. So you want it to be foaming like that, but if it goes really crazy, then you know your pan's too hot. You can kind of tell from the sizzle. You'll get a feel for it the more you do that. So we just want to coat the base of the pan with butter. I'm going to turn the heat down to medium and then get the eggs in the pan. Okay, they're not sizzling as much as I would like, so we probably could have had that a bit hotter, but that's okay. With scrambled eggs, slower is definitely better because you get more time. So we're just going to let that cook for 30 seconds or so. So that's actually been a minute, and you can see the eggs starting to look set around the sides. So it's kind of like a cross between scrambled eggs and an omelette. I like this method because you get nice big curds. So what we're going to do is just get a spatula, and the idea is to scoop up all the cooked egg into the corner and let all the not so cooked egg run down. Then we're just going to leave that in the pan again for another 30 seconds or so. Okay, and then just give it another stir so that last little bit of uncooked egg will come down. And then I like my eggs quite soft, so what I'm going to do, because it's going to continue to cook from the heat of the pan, from the heat of the omelette or the scrambled eggs, I'm just going to top it onto the pan, and the bits in the middle are going to keep cooking, and we'll get it off the heat. And then I'm just going to finish with my almonds and put some salad leaves on the side, and we're good to eat. So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonесoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.